Hello everyone! If you're looking for a great Breitling watch that looks great anywhere, the Breitling watches is a great choice. These are the best Breitling watches available on the market today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 7. Breitling Avenger Hurricane. A standout 50mm diameter, an ultra-rugged, ultra-light case in bright light. The technical and powerful black or yellow dial is distinguished by its aviation-inspired white stencil type. The exclusive strap offers a blend of comfort and sturdiness, with a rubber inner lining and sides and an exterior made of high-resistance military textile fiber. Case diameter 50mm. Band material fabric rubber. Band width 24mm. Number 6. Breitling Exospace B55. The Exospace B55 houses an exclusive caliber equipped with a range of original functions tailor-made for pilots and yachtsmen. The user-friendliness of this model is enhanced by the simple and logical control mode, and 2 ultra-legible LCD screens with backlighting system that can be activated by pressing the crown or tilting the wrist. Display type analog digital. Case diameter 46mm. Case thickness 14.25mm. Band material titanium. Number 5. Breitling Avenger BlackBird. Brushed black titanium unidirectional rotating bezel with 60-minute scale. Dark blue dial with luminescent hands and index hour markers. Date displayed in window at 3 o'clock. Powered by the Breitling Caliber 17 self-winding automatic COSC chronometer certified movement, which boasts a 38-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, glare-proofed on both sides, protects the dial. The case is round, 48mm in diameter, water-resistant to 300 meters. Number 4. Breitling Premier Heritage. This latest generation of Premier chronographs. Green dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Automatic movement, 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back, fold-over clasp, pull-push crown. Dial color, green. Bezel material, stainless steel. Movement, automatic. Water-resistant depth, 100 meters. Number 3. Breitling Avenger 2. The professional Avenger 2 Seawolf Super Diver model teams a powerful aesthetic with exceptional performance. The case, water-resistant to the impressive depth of 3,000 meters, is equipped with a unidirectional rotating bezel, a screw-lock crown with non-slip grip, a valve serving to equalize pressure differences between the interior and the exterior of the watch. The self-winding caliber, chronometer certified by the COSC, guarantees maximum precision and reliability. Calendar, date. Special features, screw-down crown. Movement, Swiss automatic. Number 2. Breitling Navitimer Cosmonaut. Breitling has just unveiled the black steel version of the Navitimer Cosmonaut. With its trademark 24-hour dial, the Navitimer Cosmonaut Black Steel also features the in-house B02 movement. Dial color, Aurora Blue. Calendar, date. Special features, chronograph. Movement, hand wind. Water resistant depth, 30 meters. Number 1. Breitling Endurance Pro. Designed to be both a lightweight watch for athletes and a casual, everyday sports chronograph, the Endurance Pro seamlessly blends high precision and innovative technology with a vibrant, colorful design. It's the ultimate athleisure watch designed for men and women whose active lives blend a career mindset with a sporty lifestyle. The Endurance Pro is equal to the challenges of rigorous training, yet fashionable enough for everyday wear. Crimp function, bidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, 1/10 second chronograph, 30 minutes. Movement, quartz. Waterproof depth, 100 meters.